One of the things I find most intriguing for people that are raising capital is that they can pull all sorts of numbers and they're tracking, everything associated with an investment. But a lot of times they're not actually tracking the engagement of their investors. They're relying solely on their intuition to determine who might be their next investor, who's most interested in their opportunity. They're ignoring the data. So, like a lot of the investment firms that I talk with, VCs, PEs, real estate investment firms, they might have, you know, a place where they direct all their investors to gather their materials, to read their materials. But what they're not doing is tracking who's actually going into those folders. They're not tracking who's reading what documents, what pages, how long they're on those pages for, who's opening up their emails, who's clicking those links. You don't need a crystal ball or, some sort of X-Men superhero power in order to predict who your interested investors are. All you really need is the data. And if you're ignoring that, then you're really doing yourself a disservice. You're far less efficient. You're closing the deals uh, a lot slower than you really need to. And frankly, you're not building the type of relationships that you should with the investors. If you know where they're spending their time and where their eyes are gravitating towards, and what's obviously most important to them because they're spending the most time on something, you should get on the phone or send them an email that's specific to that, not some sort of general follow-up. Hey, are you interested in this opportunity? Or give them a call and not have any sort of real structure or purpose to the call. I'd like to show you how you can do that with WealthBlock. We track everything for you. That way you have an idea of where your investors are spending their time, where their engagements are, most comprehensive to give you the best opportunity to close that deal faster and build, more open communication and better rapport with your investors. Let me know if you'd like to talk.